Welcome to this GoBright user video. During this video we will discuss how GoBright seamlessly works with Microsoft Outlook. Using plugins allow the user to experience the full potential of the GoBright solution. As you can see, I'm in the Microsoft Outlook environment and I'm in the calendar area. I'm going to create a new event. This works exactly the same as you experience all the time creating previous meetings. So I can give it a title. I can invite attendees to the meeting. I could be changing the date. And time. But if I wanted to add in services, or if I want to add in some pre-registrations for a visitor coming in, then I can't do that within this environment. So what I need to do is use the GoBright plugin, and we have that in the top menu. So by selecting, that's going to open the GoBright window. And you can see that's already picked up the date of my meeting, the time of my meeting, and the fact there's two people. So there's my visitor and there'd be myself. I can search as well my room for particular amenity if I wanted to. And my locations represent the GoBright portal. So I'm just going to search for my room. Those rooms are organised in room capacity order. So they're increasing as I scroll down. And I'm just going to select one of those rooms. I'm going to also add in services. So I'm going to add, and I'm going to say we want some wraps for our meeting, and it's going to be a salad wrap, and we'll have 4 of those. And we've got cost centers set up on our system, so we're going to just add in those, and I'll select and I can confirm. So when we've actually saving this as our meeting invite, then those are going to go through. I can also add in my pre-registrations, and it's going to be a visitor. And I can add attendees from the booking. So I'm just going to click add. So that's my room booking, my services booking, and my pre-registrations all done within the one environment. And all I'd need to do now is click send. So that's how we can use the GoBright plugin to seamlessly work with our Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for watching this GoBright user support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.